Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we are going to take a look at the best Monster Jam Garage Playset available in the market.
The Monster Jam ThunderROARus Drop Playset. This playset is massive, standing over 6 feet tall and 1 foot wide, making it an impressive addition to any Monster Jam collection.
The Monster Jam ThunderROARus Drop Playset features 3 launch modes, allowing you to load and crank your favorite Monster Jam trucks to perform awe-inspiring moves like high jumps, front flips, and corkscrews. The playset comes to life with adjustable lights and sounds, adding to the excitement of the Monster Jam stunts. One of the standout features of this playset is the exclusive ThunderROARus truck, adding a unique piece to your Monster Jam collection. Additionally, the playset is compatible with other 1-64 Monster Jam trucks, making it a great addition to your existing collection. The set includes everything you need to get started, including the wall bracket top and bottom, command strips for mounting, and various track pieces for setting up the stunts. The assembly is straightforward, and the playset sticks securely to the wall with 3M command strips. In conclusion, the Monster Jam ThunderROARus Drop Playset is a must-have for any Monster Jam enthusiast. With its impressive size, exclusive truck, and exciting features, this playset provides hours of entertainment for kids and adults alike. Add this playset to your collection and experience the thrill of Monster Jam stunts right in your own home. That's all for today's review of the Monster Jam ThunderROARus Drop Playset. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.